Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to send voice messages on iPhone 16e on WhatsApp. To do it on WhatsApp, just select the chat you want to send your message to, then click on the microphone icon. I need to allow the microphone since I'm using it for the first time. Now you can see it as I click on it, it doesn't start recording. Actually need to press and hold. And I can also swipe up to lock it so I don't need to press and hold anymore. And now as I'm speaking, it's recording everything that I say until I either click on pause, then I can listen to it, or if I even don't click on the pause, I can send it. Before I send it, I'm gonna show you this option. If it looks like this, then this will be a permanent voice message, so it can be listened to multiple times. But if you set it to one time only, then if someone listens to the message, it will be deleted. I'm gonna leave it on permanent, then I'm gonna send it, and my recipient should get the message right now, as you can see here. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.